Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look into Koii Network. In this video I'll show you how you can set up a Koii node, and I will also show you everything you need to do to get ready for the Koii mainnet. So what is Koii Network? So Koii is a decentralized platform designed to run tasks and power decentralized applications. It uses consumer hardware, like for example your computer. In the future it will also probably support your mobile device, and it uses your computer to create a scalable network. Contributors share unused resources and earn rewards for their participation. The goal is to support a decentralized and community-driven ecosystem, and Koii enables cost-effective and sustainable solutions for building applications. It's a fair and efficient way to power the future of the internet. To start earning, you will need to run a Koii node. The Koii node is a lightweight program that allows your computer to run jobs that are called tasks for Koii node using your extra hardware. By renting out unused space, you can earn rewards while contributing to the decentralized ecosystem. Running a Koii node is quite simple. The first step is going to the official Koii website. I will leave the link in the description, and as soon as you open the website you will see a button that says Get Started. You just need to press the button and then install the application. The first time you open the Koii node you will need to set up a password. After you set up the password you will need to create a Koii wallet. For every Koii node you will need a different wallet. So in my case I have 3 different Koii nodes. That means I have 3 different wallets. Also, remember to save your recovery phrase and don't share it with anyone. To get started, you will need some tokens. At the moment, since we are in the testnet, you can get some tokens for free in the faucet. You just need to complete some simple tasks, like for example, connecting the email, connecting Discord, and you can also enter my referral code. I will leave it in the description and you will get 5 extra tokens. After you have some Koii tokens, you will be able to start running tasks. To run a task, you will need to stake a certain amount of Koii tokens, but at the moment there is no benefit for staking more tokens, so just choose the minimum amount. Here on the display you can see my Koii node. You can see all the different tasks I am running. You can see I have a lot of different tasks earning me different tokens. A lot of people are a bit confused on what all of these tokens are. I will explain in the next part of the video what all of these tokens mean. To start running more tasks, you just need to press the Add Task button in the top right of your node. When I started running the Koii node, there were only around 4 tasks, and now you can see that there are a lot more. To run most of the tasks, you just need to stake some Koii tokens, but for some tasks, the one you see the orange gear button, you can press it and it will ask for extra information. You can see that in this case, for the archive Twitter task, you will need to enter your Twitter username, Twitter password and Twitter phone. You can of course create a new account for this. You don't need to use your personal Twitter account. A lot of people are really confused on what all of the different tokens are. The Koii token, of course, is the main token, is the token that runs the Koii blockchain, but the other tokens are called KPL tokens. The projects that run on the Koii network create their own tokens, and they are called KPL tokens, and each KPL token is specific to a project, functioning as a layer 2 token within the Koii ecosystem. Participants earn these tokens as rewards for completing tasks tied to these projects. In the future, you will be also able to trade these tokens and they will have a value. Currently, you can go on the Koii website and click on the Koii Ocean and see all the different projects that are running on Koii. If you are already running a Koii node, it's time to get ready for the mainnet. Mainnet is coming on January 2nd, 2025. To make sure you don't lose any Koii tokens for the mainnet, you will need to go to the settings and remove the tokens from the staking keys. I recommend only leaving 7 Koii tokens in the staking keys. You can see I have over 50, so I will remove them and leave only 7. Also very important, for all the tasks that you want to run or that you are already running, check that you have only the minimum stake. As I said before, If you stake more than the minimum amount, you don't get any benefits, so it's best to just stake the minimum required amount. All the tokens you have in the system key wallet will be converted into mainnet tokens with a ratio of 1:1. This image has been posted in the Koii Discord. You can see that the token TG is on the January 2nd, and then the token will be listed on 2 different exchanges on the 13th of January. Nowadays, it's almost impossible to keep up with all the latest projects, so I have created a new section in our free Discord called Project Updates, where I will share all the relevant updates about Koii and other DePIN projects. In my opinion, Koii has potential to be a massive DePIN project. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments. If you need help with anything, send me a message on Discord or Telegram. I will leave the links to both in the description. For today, that was the video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.